I'm Joe here with FLYMOTION, FPV specialist. We just got the Avata 2 and we're about to give it a try today. New Avata 2 is just in today. We've been watching videos all day on it, so we're all pretty excited. We got a razor. Sweet. Dude, yeah, the case looks actually cool. Ooh. Goggles 3. Damn. Definitely looks even cooler than the old goggle.
They're a little bit slimmer, a little bit more thin.
Kinda
yeah, for sure.
crazy.
Oh, there it is. There's both of them.
2, yeah.
That's neat.
Cameras in the front. You're gonna be able to view what's in front of you. Yeah, with the motion controller, just like with an Oculus, you'll be able to select menu options with the controller. It's like, I was watching the videos, it's like, shows a little pointer icon to the options in the menu. Battery integrated into the goggle.
Just like the Integra.
Bigger props, 3-blade, no longer 5-blade, way quieter. Integrated battery. Right now, I'm basically looking at you and my surroundings through the 2 cameras that are on the outside of the goggles. And I could see my FPV feed, which is still on the top left-hand corner of my screen. So I could literally still pretty much fly around like this. It's pretty crazy. And we could bring it right up to the camera.
My name is Juan Munoz. I am tech and logistics specialist here at FLYMOTION. Let's actually fly this guy. Just a regular Thursday. Just a little windy, so it's actually a perfect opportunity to try the wind resistance on this. Arming and launching. Oh, wow. All right, so this is just hovering. I'm not doing anything crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna do front flip. Oh, wow. Back flip, left, right, left. All right, so what I'm doing with the advanced tracking, head tracking with the 04 unit, I can already tell straight off the bat, it is way better than the 03 unit, the 03 Plus unit that's in the regular Avata. So I still have a crosshair of where I'm actually looking at with my headset, while I actually have a little indicator of a circular unit of where I'm actually gonna go. But with the wind, I'm still giving it clear indication of what I have to do. It has no factor at all. I could still fly forward like I'm gonna do right here. But one of my favorite features though, the head tracking is super cool, but the easy acro. Yeah, thank you for joining, guys. Honestly, this is just a typical day in the warehouse. Link in the description on other videos. Really do appreciate it. Like and subscribe. And honestly, this thing is flipping awesome.